very nice design, small design boutique hotel.
One of the best ice cream in Paris. Hi everyone, today it's the second vlog about us in Paris, and today we're in another district.
Here we're gonna show you Marais. Follow us, hope you liked our first walk in Montmartre and you will continue to discover Paris with us. We are now in the heart of Marais, the oldest square of Paris, Place de Vosges. It was built in the beginning of 17th century. Place de Vosges is the perfectly symmetrical square bordered by 36 buildings that now host art galleries, pricey antique shops and elegant cafes. One of the most famous residents of Place de Vosges was Victor Hugo. Here is the museum dedicated to his life and art.
Guys, right now we're in the very nice cafe with very peaceful terrace. This cafe close to Museum Victor Hugo, and Victor Hugo, I think of course you know, but okay, he's one of the famous writer on the world. And you know, in Paris when you say un carafe d'eau, it means they give to you water for free, like that.
And it's pretty good quality.
Yeah, really, you don't need to pay for this water. Really nice cafe, I like it very much, and very tasty.
Do you want one of these pastries?
Yes, maybe.
I'm trying to be on a diet, but it's really hard not to eat something.
Today in Paris very hot and I really want ice cream. Let's go to a marina. You know, it's one of the best ice cream in Paris, and now we will try that. Here you have this approach spritz, flavor approach spritz. It's true? Yeah. It's interesting. I want something like classic corn, so you also can choose the flavor. Merci! It's very cute!
Break my diet because Lena was so nice and shared with me her ice cream.
So let's
I
try.
think I'm gonna start from. I think it's the most famous French dessert,
Of
macaron.
oui.
And with the ice cream, it's really. It's a delicious,
Wow.
très délicieux.
So guys, now we're in the Rue du Temple, where many shops with different clothes and with clothes and with different brands. For example, I like this brand. It's Democracy. We think maybe we can show after more brands, more shops with clothes. So you can write in commentary if you really want to know, if you really want we show some shops, some brands, and we can do some outfits in different brands. So it's a brand from LA, Los Angeles, from famous blogger Anna Bean. I really little bit her fanat. Maybe she will look our vlog in one day. Basic clothes. Vika really like that.
We walked to Jewish part of Marais, so it's the Jewish district. As you see, a lot of signs, they translated or there's only signs in Hebrew. It's been home since 13th century to Jewish people, and even though thanks to gentrification, Marais became a very fashionable district, it's mainly for Jewish people who live here. Old door with a
super new modern look. That's a style of Marais. We're going to the place called La du Falafel. You can never miss it when you're in Marais. Elena's gonna show you. It has the green color. So, and the queue is starting here. But if you come to the weekend, it will probably go till the end of the street. So again, guys, the advice is to come during what day are we today? It's Wednesday.
Wednesday.
So Wednesday is perfect.
A few moments later.
So we changed our outfits because rain started.
We had to put the jackets, and now we're finally want to get this falafel, and the queue was really big, and we hope that now it will be less people and we can eat because Lena is very hungry.
Very hungry.
But we
That's why
found
we
the
spoke.
Starbucks.
Nice.
So guys, we come back in this falafel place. It's very popular and one of the famous falafel in Paris.
And I've heard that it's the favorite, one of the favorite places of Lenny Kravitz in Paris. I don't know if it's true.
Oh, wow.
We have two different things. I don't know if you understand where is the falafel. It's in my left hand because it's vegetarian. It's without, like, it's only possible to be vegetarian. And Lena, she got shawarma. And this one is possible to make with the lamb or with the chicken as Lena chose. So now we're gonna eat it in the one of the hidden gem square next to this place.
Very cool. Excuse me, I eat like a pig, but it's impossible.
Delicious. Yes, we have some people watching us eating. Hi. Maybe they will. We are now standing in front of, maybe you think it's the boulangerie, but it's not. It's the hotel that keeps the sign of the old boulangerie, the place where you could buy the bread in the past. So they kept the facade, they haven't changed anything, and inside, and it's a very nice design, small design boutique hotel. I think you have a great company. Oh,
So cute.
the Parisian people, they really love dogs.
I want to give you some advices. If you want to come in La Marais, it's the name of this district, you must come only during the week. Because in weekend, it's so many tourists, it's impossible to eat, to see something. Too much people, really. If you want to come, you must come only during the week.
The oldest food market in Paris, Les Enfants Rouges, is a nice place for a lunch break. You can find here local French producers of cheese, wine, olives, but also many food corners with eclectic street food from Moroccan to East Asian.
Next to the market, we met this cool creative granddad, who told us his story of being a friend of Jimi Hendrix when he was young. Interesting character. He makes the flower vases from old books, and we bought one.
Fashion lovers and those who are interested in a history of fashion, we recommend to visit the exhibition in Foundation Azzedine Alaïa that revealing personal collections and the most remarkable dresses of this legendary couturier. There is a nice bookshop and the cafe outside to grab a glass of wine or coffee after a visit. So Lena's dream was to wear the shoes from Alaïa, but he worked with a lot with celebrities, right?
With Kate Moss, as well as
Naomi Campbell.
Naomi Campbell.
Can you show me your favorite dress from this exhibition?
Yes, I think so, but it's in here. I like that. I think
It's the
it's
60s.
summer.
Oh yes, it's beautiful silhouette.
dust
Little bit.
here because there's a lot of small streets, and we're going to Museum Picasso.
Museum of Pablo Picasso is famous not only for the best collection of paintings and sculptures by a famous artist, but the building itself, Grand Parisian house of 17th century.
It's exactly the same way it was in the 17th century when there was a horse and carriages, and they were so big so the carriages could pass through, and it's amazing that you still can see exactly the same look as it was before. So guys, we are still not hungry after this big falafel. So apéro is just the glass of red wine and the white wine, but the place has nice salads and nice charcuterie, vegetarian tartine, a lot of different things. So
It's a nice place for apéro, yeah?
Sorry, destroying your video.
No, to be honest, it's a cool place for apéro, especially outside. Emporter, oui.